Hey, Rocco.
Rocco.
Read the paper.
Come sit up here with me, okay?
Rocco, look at the bird.
Why not?
Give him one of those things. Caca.
Say, I know.
Oh, yeah.
Say, I know. I know. Oh, there he is. Ooh, one at a time.
Hi, Rocco.
Ready for another one?
Hi.
I know.
This one. There you are.
Haha.
He's like, give me those back.
Okay. Maybe the baby will kick while you're sitting on my lap. Mwah. You want another one?
Say hi, cousin.
I know.
Did he say it?
No.
Oh. Rocco, what does a cat say? What does a cat say?
Says, I want to get down. I'm in charge here.
Bebo! Where's your Bebo? There it is. That's your Bebo.
Where's your mouth?
Mouth. Yeah?
Nose. Can you say nose? Nose. What's cat say? Oh.
Whew.
That's it. They're all tired out?
Yeah. You helping Grammy fold clothes?
Rocco, look at Rocco. Smell it. Does it smell okay? Is it okay?
Does it smell good?
Say, I know. This one's red. Ooh. Did you bring any slippers on? Rocco, where's Grandpa's slippers? Where's Grandpa's slippers at? Go get them.